A busy work schedule in conjunction with a demanding social life is a recipe for a messy car. Between all of the after-work outfit changes to the morning coffee run straw wrappers, your car can really become a mess. So Toyota of Orlando decided it's time for a little spring cleaning and is giving you some DIY car cleaning hacks to make sure your set of wheels is more organized. Let's get started. To start things off, you'll need to prevent trash from building up by making a trash can. All you need is an empty cereal box container and a small trash bag. Store this on the floor of your front or back seat and eradicate trash buildup for good. Next, you'll want to tackle your trunk. After you have removed all unnecessary items, purchase a car organizer from your local Target, Walmart, or online at Amazon. With a trunk organizer, storing all of your car essentials is easy. We recommend keeping items such as non-perishable snacks, towels, an extra pair of shoes, and a first aid kit in the organizer. Next up is your armrest compartment. This is one of the easiest spots to use as a junk drawer, but it can be your best friend when it comes to storing some items you need on hand. We recommend getting pen holders, cups, or toothbrush holders and placing them in this compartment. This makes for easy storing of pens, hand sanitizer, car chargers, and other important items. Now that all of the items in your car are organized, we recommend doing a deep cleaning of the interior surfaces. An easy and natural way to do this is with a DIY all-purpose cleaner. All you need to do is mix equal parts of water, baby oil, and vinegar with a drop of soap, tea tree oil, and your favorite essential oil. And voila! Throw it in a spray bottle and you have yourself an all-natural cleaner. For the finishing touch to all of your hard work, you'll want to make an air freshener. Of course, you can always purchase these at the store, but they can be expensive and have a short shelf life. So why not make your own? All you need is a clothespin, a couple of felt balls, and your favorite essential oil. Just hot glue a couple of felt balls to your clothespin and pour a few drops of the oil on the pom-poms. We recommend lavender. And your air freshener is ready to go. Clip it on your air vent and experience the fresh scent of a clean car. And that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed these DIY car organization tips. For all of your car maintenance needs, stop by Toyota of Orlando. We are always running service specials to give you the car service you need for a price you deserve. We're open 7 days a week and are located at 3575 Vineland Road. See you soon!